Alright guys, so today me and Pace are going to Broken Nut Off-Road Park in Jefferson, South Carolina. It is raining, so I don't know how much footage that I'm gonna get, so hopefully I can get out the car with an umbrella when the rain slows, video a few things, hook up the GoPro wannabe on the hood, get some cool shots there. But yeah, thanks for hopping on the video today, and we'll see what we can get. All right guys, so we just got here to Broken Nut. There was actually a special today. Apparently they're supposed to have a band and supposed to be cooking out with hot dogs and hamburgers, but the lady at the front mentioned that they may or may not be doing that since it has been raining a little bit. It's actually pretty dry here, considering the drive that we had on the way here is pretty wet, so we'll see what happens. Oh no. Bro, when I saw this, I was like, there's no way you get up this.
Have we not been up it, Dale? Yeah, we have. I've been up, I've got pictures and videos going up it.
In this?
In this. Hold on, I'll show you. Let me damn rip this. Damn it, it's metal too. Fender delete. Oh, body damage.
Oh no.
I don't care. Look.
Oh no. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out today's video. Thanks for watching. It's I know it's not our normal type of video, but you know, I like getting cool footage like this for my own sake. Me and Meredith obviously have two different styles. Obviously she wasn't here, but I wish she was. But as we always say, have fun, be you, be great. Thanks for watching. Come back, like, and subscribe. Thanks guys.